Numerous investors had probably never heard of Evergrande before its liquidity scare in 2020. But once the massive and largely indebted Chinese real estate company sparked a sell-off sweeping from Asia through Europe and onto the US, anxious chatter about contagion and an implicit global credit crisis looked inescapable. In today's video, we'll discuss if Evergrande crashed heading into a multi-year real estate bear market. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. The defaults of Evergrande, China's largest property developers, signal a prolonged period of volatility for China's indebted real estate market. But analysts anticipate that Beijing will contain the damage. In the first week of December, Fitch Ratings announced Evergrande in restricted default after it failed to repay its overseas bondholders $82.5 million in interest payments that were due earlier in the week, threatening to spark cross-default on its roughly $19 billion of international bonds. But now, China Evergrande has reported progress in restarting home deliveries, due to which we've seen a jump over in Evergrande share prices. Evergrande is the world's most obliged real estate developer with over $300 billion in arrears. It's floundering to repay bondholders, banks, suppliers, and deliver homes to buyers, epitomizing a bloated industry suffering from the Chinese government's deleveraging campaign. Company chair Hui Kanyan stressed during a meeting on Sunday that no one at Evergrande would be allowed to lie flat, prompting workers to fight day and night so that deals can be proceeded and debts repaid. Evergrande said in a statement, "With 5 days left this month, we must go all out to ensure we meet the aim of delivering units this month," said Hui. He pledged to deliver units of properties in December on Sunday, compared with fewer than in each of the previous 3 months. His pledge came a day after China's top real estate regulator said to Xinhua news agency that the government would intensively tackle property delivery pitfalls by some top developers. After this share of China Evergrande Group jumped more than 8 on Tuesday in morning trade after the embattled property developer said it had made initial progress in continuing construction work. Evergrande, grappling with over $300 billion in arrears and at threat of getting China's biggest ever default, has been scrambling to raise cash by selling means and shares, but it looks like the company is moving towards recovery. Also on Saturday, China's central bank said it would guard the legal rights of homebuyers. The statement said Evergrande had proceeded cooperation with more than 80 of decoration companies and long-term suppliers, having signed contracts with material suppliers. The Chinese government has, in recent months, marginally eased property backing to help a hard landing of the sector, but has not reversed its property restrictions designed to reduce leverage and discourage speculation. Now that Evergrande is moving towards recovery and Chinese central bank's reaction has eased some tension off the home buyers, it's safe to say Evergrande isn't heading towards bear market for now. And that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.